take a look at the YIYEIE 5-piece anti-slip aviation wrench set. Ooh, that's cool. Wow. So I really like that it comes with its own foam insert set. It's also all well labeled, so we know exactly what wrench is supposed to go in which spot. But I really love just having these long length style wrenches. Makes it real nice to get a lot of torque. Now the thing that makes this particular wrench stand out is you can see how those hexes, they kind of got that extra little bite in them, that extra tooth. So instead of putting all the load right on the corner, that is going to allow you to put the load right in the center of the fastener to make sure that you got a good bite on it. So you can actually pull fasteners with this that you're not going to be able to pull with standard wrenches. So if somebody's calling you over because they need help because they rounded off a nut, this is going to be the style of wrench that you're going to want to have. It is directional, so you can see the way that that tooth is pointing. So with a wrench like this, you're going to be turning counterclockwise, so those teeth are going to grab in. If you need to go clockwise, you just flip it around. Now you can go clockwise. You got a very nice chrome finish on here, and it is labeled on both sides, so it doesn't matter how you pick up the wrench, you're going to know exactly what you got in your hand. And you can see it's kind of offset there, so this side is pointing up, and if you got to flip it around to the other side, that is pointing down. So here we got our 18 and 19. We got 16, 17, 14, 15, 12, 13, 8, and 10. The only two skips here are 9 and 11, which are very uncommon wrenches, so this is going to cover almost everything you're going to be dealing with anyway between A8 and A19. I also really like that they got this little finger insert here, so you got a spot you can actually grab this thing out without having to get some needle nose pliers or like try to dig in there with a screwdriver or something like that. So very nice. Really like this set. Yeah, that has a really nice grip on it. Like you can just tell by feeling it. That thing is biting strong. And then just the grip and the overall length of it, this is a very nice wrench. I'm very happy with that.